morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed up to hand sheet 2. Now we are going to learn rational numbers. Before going to learn the rational numbers, we know that natural numbers denoted by n. N equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. So the natural numbers denoted by n. N equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. And another one, whole numbers denoted by W, and W equal to set of, okay, here natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 0 is not there. So the natural numbers including 0, 0, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. You can observe in whole numbers 0 is there, but in natural numbers 0 is not there. So we have to compare the difference between the natural numbers and whole numbers. So whole numbers starting from 0, but natural numbers starting from 1. So natural numbers set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. And whole numbers set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And integers. So integers are denoted by Z. So Z equal to set of, okay, in integer you can see positive numbers and negative numbers are including 0. So 0, comma, plus or minus 1, comma, plus or minus 2, comma, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4, and plus or minus 5, so on. In integer you can see positive numbers. In integers there are positive numbers, negative, and 0. Positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. So natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Now we are going to learn rational numbers. Okay, you have already learned about fractions. Now fractions, what is the symbol of fractions? A by B. Now A by B or A is to B. A by B. It is a fractional form. So 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 6. All these are fractions. Fractions belongs to natural numbers or whole numbers or integers. So we can see the fractional numbers in rational numbers. Okay, which are in the form of P by Q or rational numbers. So now discussing about rational numbers. Rational numbers mean which numbers can be written in the form of P by Q or called rational numbers. Here P, Q are integer and Q not equal to 0. Which numbers can be written in the form of P by Q, where Q and P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. Which numbers can be written in the form of P by Q? Which numbers can be written in the form of P by Q are called rational numbers. And denoted by rational numbers denoted by Q. Which number can be written in the form of P by Q? Here P and Q are integers. Integers means P and Q are integers. Belongs to Z. Here we can observe P and Q integers. P positive or negative. Q positive or negative. But what is the condition here? Q not equal to 0. So why Q not equal to 0? For example, 2 belongs to Z. 3 belongs to Z. So 2 by 3. So it is in the form of P by Q. So P and Q belongs to Z. 2 and 3 are belongs to Z. Here Q not equal to 0. If Q equal to 0, so P by Q, when you take Q equal to 0, division by 0, not given. That's why here Q not equal to 0. We should take Q not equal to 0. And which numbers can be written in the form of P by Q are called rational numbers. And we can write the examples. Examples of rational numbers (1 by 2), -3 by 2, 4 by 4, 0, 5 by -6, and 3 by -1. All the examples are the examples of Q. That means here 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is in the form of P by Q. 1 belongs to Z and Q2 belongs to Z. So 1 by 2 is in the form of P by Q. That's why it is a rational number. And -3 by 2. -3 by 2 is a rational number. Why? Because it is P by Q. Here P equal to -3. -3 means it is a integer. Here what is the main thing in definition? P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers means P may be positive or negative. So q may be positive or negative, but q not equal to 0. So minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 belongs to z and 2 belongs to z. That's why minus 3 by 2 belongs to q. And 4 by 4 means 4 by 4. It is in the form of p by q. 4 by 4 means 1. 1. 4 by 4 means 1. 1 is also here. Write 1, comma 1. Or the examples of q. Why? Because 1 is also, so 2 is also rational number, 3 is also rational number. Why? Because natural numbers and whole numbers, integers are subset of q. So we can see in rational number, we can see natural numbers, we can see whole numbers, we can see integers. So natural numbers, whole numbers, integers are the subsets of rational number. So 4 by 4, it is in the form of p by q, but 4 cancel 1. So 1 belongs to q, 1 belongs to rational numbers. And also 5 by minus 6 equal to p by q. So 5 belongs to z, minus 6 belongs to z. That's why p by q is in the form of p by q. 5 by 6 is belongs to q. And 3 by minus 1. 3 by minus 1 equal to minus 3. That belongs to q. And 1 belongs to q. So we can observe here natural numbers subset are equal to w subset are equal to z subset are equal to q. You can observe like this. So in q, that means rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers. You can see natural numbers, you can see whole numbers, and you can see integers in q. So these are the examples of q. Write down this box. Natural numbers subset of w subset of z subset of q. So these are the examples of natural numbers. Okay. Rational numbers may be positive, 0 or negative. Rational numbers may be positive, 0 or negative. Rational numbers may be positive, 0 or negative. Why? Because so from the examples 1 by 2, it is a positive number. Minus 3 by 2, it is a positive, it is a negative. And 0 is also a rational number. 0 is also rational number. Why? Because p by so out of the examples 3 by 2, minus 5 by 6, 0, 0. Okay, 3 by 2, it is in the form of p by q. minus 5 by 6, it is in the form of p by q. How can you use it? Okay, we know that natural numbers and natural numbers are subset of W, whole numbers. Whole numbers are subset of integers. Integers are subset of rational numbers. So in integers, in integer z, 0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2 plus or minus 3 so on. So here p and q are integer, q not equal to 0. So can be p equal to 0. So take p here, p equal to 0, q equal to 2. Now p by q equal to 0 by 2. 0 by everything 0. 0 by everything 0. That's why q is it. So the natural numbers may be positive, 0 or negative. Rational numbers may be positive, 0 and or negative. So positive, negative, 0. When it is negative, if p equal to 0, q equal to 2. P by 2 equal to 0 by 2. 0 by 2. 0 by everything 0. So 0 is also rational number. Write the examples. 3 by 2 comma minus 5 by 6 and 0. So rational numbers may be positive, 0 or negative. Now, so can draw the number line. There is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 1. Minus 1. Minus 2. Minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Okay. This is positive. Positive. Negative, negative, 0. Okay. Zero is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So these are the positive numbers, these are negative numbers. So, you can see the integers on the number line. For example, this is 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, between number 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So this is 5 by 2. Why? Because this is 2, 2 and a half. That means again 3. This is, what is the middle value of the 2 and 3? This is represented by 5 by 2. 5 by 2. And this it is also minus 5 by 2. Okay, again, what is the 7 by 2 means 3 and 4. What is the number between 3 and 4? 3 by 2 means 7 by 2. Middle value. The mid value of 3 and 4. 3, 3 and half, 4. What is the middlemost value of 3 and 4 means 3.5. 3.5. 3.5 is represented by 7 by 2. And the mid value of 2 and 3 is 5. 2 and half. 2 and half is represented by 5 by 2. Here also minus 7 by 2. Minus 7 by 2. So these are the 5 by 2 and 7 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 and minus 7 by 2 or the rational numbers or the rational numbers. Okay, you can see, you can calculate so many rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Between the two rational 2 and 3 both are rational numbers. In between the 2 and 3, you can imagine 5 by 2. So the big value of 2 and 3 equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 5 by 2 means 2 2s are 4, 1. So 5 times 2.5. So 2.5 is represented by 5 by 2. Again 3 and 5. So what is the 7 by 2? 7 by 2 means 2 3s are 6, 1.0. 2 5s are 10. So 3.5 is represented by 7 by 2. 2.5 is represented by 5 by 2 and 3.5 represented by 7 by 2. So these are, you can represent the rational numbers between the two rational numbers. 2 and 3 are rational numbers, 5 by 2. 3 and 4 are rational numbers. Between the rational numbers, 7 by 2. So here you can show like that rational numbers. So 0 is neither positive nor negative. NEITH. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So you can represent any rational numbers on a number line. You can represent any rational number on a number line. For example, so draw it one. Negative values 0, positive values, we can represent rational numbers like that. For example, Okay, there is a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3. So divide the number line by 3. Now zero by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3. Here minus 1, minus 2. Minus 3. Minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 3 by 3. Okay, now observe the total number line divided by 3. So 0 by 3 means 0 by 3 means 3. 0 by 3 means 0. 1 by 3, 2 by 3. So 3 by 3 same. 4 by 3, 5 by 3. 6 by 3 means 2. 6 by 3 means 2. Minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Minus 3 by 3 means minus 1. So between minus 1 and 2, between minus 1 and 2, we can imagine these are the rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. Minus 1 and 2, there are so many rational numbers. There are minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 0, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3. So these are the rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. So I am explaining again 3, 0 by 3 and 6 by 3. So take the number line like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus. Divide the number line by 3. So minus 3 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 0 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3 and 6 by 3. Okay. Minus 3 by 3 means minus 1. Minus 2 by 3, minus 1 by 3, 0 by 3 means 0. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 3 by 3 means 1. So not change. Remain at same like 4 by 3, 5 by 3. 6 by 3 means 2. So minus 1 is a rational number. 2 is also a rational number. So between minus 1 and 2, you can imagine so many rational numbers like that. So you can take, by using the number line, you can calculate the rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, draw it. Now positive, rational number. A rational number number is said to be a positive rational number, positive rational number when the numerator and denominator either positive or negative. A rational number is said to be a positive rational number when the numerator and denominator are either positive or negative. Examples. So, for example, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a positive rational number. Why? Because numerator and denominator are either positive. Here numerator is positive, denominator is also positive. That's why 2 by 3 is a positive rational number. And 5 by 6. 5 is a positive. 5. The numerator 5 is positive. The denominator 6 is also positive. That's why 5 by 6 is a positive rational number. And minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. So, a rational number is said to be a positive rational number when the numerator and denominator are either positive or negative. So, minus 3 is the numerator minus 3 is a negative. Minus 3 is also negative. Minus to minus plus. So, minus 3 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. Minus 3 by minus 2 is nothing but 3 by 2. Why? Because minus to minus plus. So, minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by minus 2 becomes 3 by 2. So, it is a positive. Nothing but 3 by 2. It is a positive rational number. And also minus 11 by minus 5. That means 11 by 5. So, numerator is negative, denominator is also negative. Minus into minus plus. So, minus 11 by minus 5 is nothing but 11 by 5. So, 11 by 5 is a positive rational number. A rational number is said to be a positive rational number when the numerator and denominator are either positive, both are positive or both are negative. So, when both are positive, it is a positive rational number. When both are negative, that is a positive rational number. Write down. Now negative rational number, negative rational number. A rational number is said to be a negative rational number if its numerator and denominator have opposite signs. Okay, a rational number is said to be a negative rational number if its numerator and denominator have opposite signs, plus or minus, that is negative rational number. Examples: 5 by minus 3, minus 7 by 2, and 11 by minus 3, and minus 9 by 5. Here observe, a rational number is said to be a negative rational number. 5 by minus 3, you can write like minus 5 by 3. 5 by minus 3 is we can written minus 5 by 3. So 5 by minus 3 becomes negative rational number. Minus 7 by 2. Here numerator is positive, denominator is negative. So numerator and denominator have opposite sign, plus minus plus minus. Here we can observe 5 by minus 3 means minus 5 by 3. So it is a negative rational number. Minus 7 by 2, nothing but minus 7 by 2. It is a negative rational number. 11 by minus 3 is nothing but minus 11 by 3. It becomes rational number. And minus 9 by 5, nothing but minus 9 by 5 is negative rational number. So either you have opposite sign, positive, negative, positive, negative, and positive. These are the examples of negative rational numbers. Okay, student, what is the definition of the rational number? Which numbers can be written in the form of p by q, and p and q are integers. Here q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Rational numbers are nothing but fractional numbers. Okay, 5 by 6, 7 by 3, and 0 by 2, and 0 by 11, and minus 10 by 5. All these are rational numbers. Rational numbers may be positive, negative, or 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So this is the class of today. Tomorrow we have to learn some more things.